you got to lead by example, right? You know, I just made a couple of Instagram stories about this, and I might post this on YouTube. I might just have it on IGTV. But, you know, the bottom line is to lead by example. I see so many people, you know, that are going out into the world, right, that become leaders, right? They started at one thing. They got really, really, really freaking good at one thing. They made a lot of money, or maybe they made, you know, 100 grand a year, 200 grand a year, 300 grand a year, or maybe it was in a different industry, right? Maybe it was fitness, okay? Maybe they got super fit, okay? Whatever it is, right? I'm gonna relate it to business, but, you know, and then what happened was they got too big for the little things. They got people underneath them. They built a team. They figured out how to leverage themselves, right? Or leverage time, leverage money, how to delegate, how to do something of the sort. And what they forgot was to continue to lead by example, right? How do you lead by example? And who's going to follow you if you're not doing what you're preaching, right? You have to actually start doing what it is that you're preaching. So go out there today and figure out, you know, think back, what did you do a year ago, 2 years ago? What got you to where you're at in the first place, right? That is exactly what you have to go back and do. You have to get back in the trenches, and you have to not be afraid to humble yourself, right? Because in life, you either humble yourself or you will eventually get humbled. Okay, I encourage you today to go out there and to do just that, to lead by example and make it happen. We're out here right now, and look, all of our signs blew down, okay, right here. You see, because all the cars are driving by, see all these signs blew down. I put them up this morning, by the way, not somebody else. By the way, I haven't done, you know, an open house in quite a while, but here I am, man. I decided that I was gonna get back into the trenches, okay? I'm actually doing a 30-day challenge on this too, so pay attention to what I'm about to do, but I'm about to do a 30-day challenge of just making it happen, right? Getting back in the trenches. You know, I just did another YouTube video or another video tying this in. Maybe this will be the same damn video. See, look, the damn thing's falling off here, man. Look at this. I just want to give you, this is real, man. This is raw, okay? See, nobody wants to do this, right? Everybody wants to make $1 million, right? But look at this. We're on the side of the road, okay? By the way, we're in Arizona right now, okay? It's 180 degrees out here, literally 180 degrees. I want to get rich, okay? And you should want to, too. That way you can take care of your family. Okay, you can buy the nice things in life, you can enjoy it. What's nice though is look at this Range Rover right here, okay? At least I get to get in this damn thing, right? I might come out here and sweat a little bit, but then I get to get in this freaking air conditioning, man. So what's the takeaway from all this, okay? Here's the takeaway. The takeaway is to make it happen, right? Stop bitching and moaning. Everybody wants to make the money, but they want to do it from the comfort of their living room, right? They want to do it from the comfort of their living room. They want to sit on their computer and they want to freaking make $1 million. That's not the way it works, man. Look at this. Come on. You see that? We got 5 more to pick up down there. Okay, I already picked up 2 of them. That's how you make it happen, right? You get a freaking sweat on. You get out there. You talk to people. You talk to everybody. You walk down the street. You walk into these businesses and you say, hey, man, what do you need? And they're like, dude, I don't know, I need marketing, I need an ATM, I need to sell my house, right? I need this, I need that, I need that, and you just make it freaking happen, okay? So I encourage you today to go out and to do whatever it takes, right? And it's so cliche, everyone's like, Austin, like I see it all the time on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, you know, do whatever it takes, do whatever it takes. You know, Grant Cardone's like, do whatever it takes, but they're not bullshitting you, right? Nobody's bullshitting you. You just do whatever it takes and you'll become successful, okay? Go out there, make it freaking happen, man. We're making it happen, you can too, all right? You know, for me, there's something that pulls me and something that pushes me, right? And I think that's big because there's a lot of people that want to get pulled, aka their why, but what pushes you? Because sometimes that why might not pull you all the way. And so for me, like running away from where I came from, right? I grew up in a garage. Running away from that, and I'm running towards something. You know, I don't ever want my kids to grow up in a garage, and I don't ever want, you know, my family, my future family to suffer the way that I suffered. Not in like the traditional sense of the word suffering, but you know what I mean. But at least my expectations very low. Him, yeah, never disappointed, ever. I'm completely neutral right now. Anybody else, I'd be irritated. Yeah. Right? I know that he would sit at a 2-person table and invite his friends, expecting them not to come.
Not to come. Absolutely not.
You know what I mean?
Just like what we do.
Yeah. Which is precisely why I accidentally forgot my wallet at home.
But God, if you're gonna spend $2 grand, which I'm down to do, slide the credit card now. I mean, you almost go to fucking Miami and fucking, or Siesta, where?
You don't go to Miami.
Siesta Keys? The Keys?
You're talking to a cat that's been to Miami 7 times a lot, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you have been to Miami.
You go to Michigan.
Wisconsin.
You don't do Miami.
Right on the Great
You
Lake.
don't do Miami, you don't do Rocky Point, you couldn't pay me.
Yeah.
And plan the night before what
Yeah.
you're gonna be doing in the office.
Yeah.
Before you walk in there and look at your computer and not know what the hell's going on.
Like you can't get caught like sitting on Instagram, like that eliminates you from the, like, you know what I mean? You can't get caught like on Facebook or like dicking around.
Yeah. Document stories daily.
Yeah.
Progress. You know what I mean? Like, yo guys, we just knocked 175 doors this morning from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Or do you do like a number? Everybody has to post 10 stories a day.
10 stories a day documenting your day. Alright?
Yeah, 10 stories a day documenting your day, and then you have to recruit one other person, and then hear me out. You have to recruit another fellow entrepreneur, and the reason you talk about this on video, because our goal is so that it's like a vision, right? So instead of it being like for personal gain, it's because we want to change other people's lives, and we know that this will change their life. So we want to help other people. So you have to force, and then you have to tag another person or something.
Yeah.
And we get like a podcast room.
Yeah. And with all the money we make, we'll be able to do that in a fucking week.
Bro, we set up, we take like a bunch of microphones and shit and create a dope podcast, like just right in our apartment for now, but make it look super fucking clean.
Super dope, yeah.
And if we ever have guests on the podcast, our house is always so perfect.
Yeah.
And we podcast right in our apartment.
Yeah. This and this will do it for
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
And we create this, I think we start Monday, bro.
No, 100%, I'm down.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Like we figure it out as we go.
Yeah. What we need is
We're gonna walk down the street and knock doors in real estate, 400 doors together. He'll be on one side of the street, I'll be on this side of the street. And then we're gonna go walk in every business and sell them a drink.
Marketing, yeah.
Everything that we've done. We're gonna go, if we drive by a dispensary knocking doors, we'll pull in and see if they have an ATM. Hit up the dude, hit it, yep, 100%. Hit up the dude that does our shirts for right now.
Okay.
And get 5, just mock up some. Hit up your guy.
Party?
No, hit him up too. We'll bring 3 sets of clothes and hang them in whoever's car we're driving.
Okay.
So when we go door knock, I want to wear shirts that say, we'll pay cash for your house, like in all capital letters or something.
Okay.
With like a picture of a house or something.
Yeah.
And then, we go, and then we'll change, and then we'll go into the meetings with the businesses and stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that way if they're sweaty and stuff too.
Yeah. We'll get some legacy marketing shirts.
Yeah.
And then some we'll pay cash for your house.
Exactly.
Somewhere.
Just have him mock up. See if you can have him by Monday.
Okay. Well, I'll see if you can get them done today.
Yeah. Bring your money bags wherever we go, baby. Come on, man. Get fired up. Or fire yourself, okay? 2 options in life, man. 2 options in life. You either get fired up or you fire yourself. Nobody else is gonna do it for you, man. Nobody else is gonna do it for you, okay?
I'll bet we put, guaranteed too, I'll bet we put over $1 million in escrow in the next 30 days. Over $1 million in escrow in the next 30 days.